Not so much rain, but it was just the mud I was a bit concerned about, and people falling over or slipping off.
So these are almshouses for the reception of 5 poor persons, erected on an annuity of £5 yearly, settled on each person for the maintenance of the charity of Mrs. Anne Sedgwick, 1761. That's before the United States of America existed. So this is Lady Godiva's cross, 1050, not 1850, 1050. The preaching cross erected by Lady Godiva, Lady of the Manor of Netherpen, Penn, wife of Leofric, Earl of Mercia. Itinerant priests of Dudley Priory provided occasional services until Sir Hugh de Bushbury built the church, about 1200. So, late Norman, early Plantagenet. Don't get the shutting of this gate wrong.